In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Lovable. Whether you're organizing your projects or decluttering your workspace, creating folders can be a crucial step in enhancing productivity and ensuring all your work is neatly arranged. So, let's dive right in and start with the very first step on our list. When you're in the Lovable workspace, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. It's here that you'll see a list of all your projects conveniently displayed. Now, beside this list, there is a set of 3 dots. This is your gateway to managing and organizing your projects more effectively. So, confidently hover over those 3 dots with your cursor to reveal a drop-down menu. Once you click on those dots, you will see a drop-down menu appear with various options at your disposal. Among these options is Create Folder. Clicking this option is our next step. This might seem straightforward, but it's important to ensure you click the right option as it may be easy to overlook in the array of choices available. It's worth mentioning at this point that naming your folder thoughtfully can streamline your process later on. When prompted, enter a meaningful name for your folder that reflects its contents. Perhaps it corresponds with a specific project or category. A well-named folder is like a well-labeled drawer, easy to locate and efficient to use. Once you're satisfied that your folder name accurately represents what's inside, finalize your choice by clicking Save or Create. Remember, you can use folders for more than just tidying up. They can also help you prioritize, manage tasks or deadlines, and accommodate collaborative efforts when shared with team members. These folders can effectively become the backbone of your digital organization strategy, offering you more direct control over your workload. Creating folders in Lovable isn't just about cleanliness, it's about efficiency and productivity through organization. Keeping your digital space organized can have a positive impact on your overall workflow. So now you have a perfectly viable folder created where you can store relevant projects, documents, or whatever assets you need to keep your workspace in top shape. I truly hope this guide has provided you with clear and comprehensive instructions on how to create a folder in Lovable. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher or to assist someone else. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and sharing with